Hello KK squad, wagwan, it's girly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm coming to you with a SHEIN haul. SHEIN, listen. So my previous video before this one is a Fashion Nova haul, and I was supposed to combine both videos together, but the package them come separate and it's two SHEIN packages. But I'm only gonna end up showing you one because one of them already open, everything wear out, and I don't even remember what they come in it. The second package that I have right now, nothing come out of the box yet. It's a big box, about to unbox and see what's inside. So in my Fashion Nova haul, I had mostly bottoms than tops. I bought a lot of jeans, like shorts, skirt, pants, couple sets as well, but in my SHEIN package it's mostly tops than bottoms. So you know, a girl like me, I go match, but I'm gonna let you know what's inside the box when we get from SHEIN and when we get from Fashion Nova. Go check out my previous video, my Fashion Nova haul. Alright, so like I said, it's a big box. So inside this big old box I have slippers, jewelries, and clothes, and more slippers. What I noticed lately with the SHEIN clothes, there's no tags. Like, you know how Fashion Nova have the tags and you can actually tell the name of the items before trying it on? I'm not getting that. So you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm just gonna put the names for each items on the screen because it not show me nothing. I'm gonna leave the link for each items in the description box. But what I can tell you from what I know and what I think, this is a sweater top and also this is a jean shorts. That's all I can tell them. I can't even tell her the name them. But like I said, I'm gonna put it on the screen and leave the link in the description box. So yeah, let's go ahead and try these on. Alright KK squad, this is the first fit. This is a sweater top, crop top with the elastic in the waist. Yes, I know what you guys are saying, sweater right now. Really, in Florida I wear sweaters all year round. Yeah, me love sweaters. I love them bad. No matter if it's summer, it doesn't matter what season, I love them. They're just so comfy to me, that's why. And I barely get hot, I'm always cold. Anyways, as you can see, the what do I call them here, the box, like the checkers type material. The top is a small, the bottom is a small, but I'm thinking that maybe I could have got an extra small. But I still like it. It's so thick. The material is so thick, just how I love it. Because you know, certain material, when you wash them after a while, it just like change. I don't feel like this is gonna change. The material is so thick and soft. Like when I was reading the reviews, I was like, these people are just talking, but they're actually right. And it's the color pink. It's two different pink and white, if it's not really showing in the camera. But the top, I love it already. I love it. Let's talk about the shorts, baby. I love the shorts too. Me love the shorts bad. As you can see, it's laced in the front, like my skin out the door. My skin is showing, guys. Anyways, it's a good length, not too short, not too long, and it fit just right. It's size small as well, and it's very stretchy. It has a lot of stretch, and me love how it just fit me, how it feels nice. So this is the only shorts that I got from SHEIN because it's my first time getting jeans from SHEIN. I usually get jeans from Fashion Nova, so I just got one because I wasn't sure. If you check out my previous videos, you see me get a bunch of jeans from Fashion Nova because that's where I usually get my jeans. But I gotta give it to SHEIN. This comfortable bad. Next thing, guys, let me show you the shoes that I would wear with this. I don't know if I would wear the shorts with this top, not sure, but let me show you the shoes that I would wear with this sweater. All right, so it's this Vans. Guys, I love Vans. Vans, if I'm pronouncing it right. Oh, it actually not really match it, but I'm still gonna wear it. With this sweater, I'm gonna wear this beautiful shoes. I don't know, guys, tell me if you can wear. I don't know if it match it. Let me give you a close-up, guys. Let me know what you think. It looks big on camera, but it's actually a size 5. So cute, you know, springtime. Yeah. All right, KK squad, let me know in the comment section what you think about the Vans with this top. Not sure about the shorts. Wanna just let me know down wanna help me dress. And also go on my Instagram and see how I dress these up. It's a look. Alright, so I have another sweater. I'm gonna just go ahead and try this on with this shorts. It's a size extra small. This one is an extra small. But why do I feel like it's gonna be right back. Alright, so this one is an extra small. And it's the same style as the pink one I tried on before, but this one is not a crop top, it's longer. But for your extra small, it's long. This could actually be a dress. Look at people. This could be a dress, honestly. So I just have to like drag it up and wear it like this, I guess. Guys, not even showing the back parts of the shorts. Like, did I show you guys? But anyways, I don't know how I feel about this one. I don't know. I don't know. You know me already, I always end up giving away my clothes. That's just me. I don't return clothes when they don't fit. I always give it to somebody who would fit. So, but anyways, this is it. And the shoes that I was planning to wear with this one is her blue Vans. I've worn this twice already. No, one time. I've worn this one time. But the blue kind of off. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yes, sir. Those are the images that I had in my head. Vans and sweaters. Why not? Alright, so I have another top here that I'm gonna try on. This is a size small. Guys, as soon as I tried this on, I was like, yep, I eat this. This is it. This is it. So comfy. This is a size small. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the name and the link in the description. Anyways, as you can see, it says, hold on, let me overthink this. Me AF. Me. This is me, an overthinker, like to the T. As soon as I saw this, I was like, yep, this is for me. Anyways, it has the, what you call this? I think I call this like the kangaroo pockets. Like, it's just the right size. It's not too baggy, not too crazy. And it has the hood on the back. The material feels really nice on my skin. So I paired it with these white shorts that I got from Fashion Nova. This is one of the shorts. Did I say white shorts? Black. It's midnight, guys. It's bedtime. So, stay with me. Black shorts. When I replay this, I don't know if I said white or black, but I feel like I said white. Anyways, this is it, guys, up close. It has a little stretch, not too much. The pink one, the first pink one, and the blue one has a lot of stretch. I can say that. But this one has a little stretch. It's true to size. I have one more top left, I'm not done. This is not it. I have more to try on, but this is my last single top. This is, I don't know the name, but it's a size small. Another sweater top. This one, love how it fits. So what it say on the front, it is what it is. I don't really care for what it says on the front, but I just love that it's white, it's crop, it has the elastic in the waist, and it just neat, you know. It looked neat. It did look neat on the models. I was like, might look neat on me too. But it says feelings, they come, they go, which is true, but we don't really care about that part there. Anyways, comfortable, size small, comfortable. It's not as thick as the pink and white one that I tried on earlier. It's thick, but the one they did thick, that one was thick. Anyways, I paired it with this blue jean shorts that I got from Fashion Nova. Like I said, check out my previous video. That's not the point, but I just paired it with this because, just because. This is the fit. I like it. I love this stuff. It's comfy. It's giving comfy. It's giving, yo, I can't find the words no while doing the video, but wait until I turn off the camera. All of the words are gonna come. But comment down below if you know the words when I try to say. It's what is it giving? Let me know, guys. Let me know, what is it giving to you guys? Giving a 360. Yeah, that's all that. Alright, so here I have a set. A short set, size small. It's giving spring. But let me try it on and show you guys. You see, when you're enough, you're enough. My Jamaicans will understand what I say. Like, I know this is not my type of style, and I still got it. When I first put on the shorts, I was like, this is giving silk pajamas. Like, guys, me know my ashy. So whatever, me dey in the mouse. Anyways, the top. Me not like all the top just a press down upon women not have. Guys, don't laugh. Don't laugh. This is the back. Some of these items that I'm buying, I said this in my Fashion Nova video as well. Some of these items that I'm buying are for ladies with bigger boobs, because that not work away stuff for me. And the color is not even really showing on camera like the real true color, but kind of cute for bed. Even though I'm not wearing a tape, nothing for go sleep. And maybe it's a house wear this, I don't know. At this point, it might look cute for somebody else, but it just not look cute for me. It's just not for me. But no too. I know it's the Halter back, like cut out back things, are not for me. Cause I know I don't have much, and I like to wear my half of bras to make this area look more full in my clothes. And for this, you definitely cannot wear no type of bra, half a quarter piece of no type of bra, cause the whole of the back out of the way. See? Them have tape on them, something them in the pan them. Like me say, me just gotta stick to what I know and what I'm comfortable in. This, now for me, make me shape like. Alright guys, so that's it for the clothes. This set just brought my vibes. I don't even want to try on the slippers. Let me just show you guys the slippers. It's very cute though, like, look at this. It's so cute. Just something simple, just a simple little slippers. This is a size 37. Size 37 is like what, 6.5? Yeah. Both of them together, so cute. I love it. It's nice. Yeah, nice slippers. Alright, so next I have this cute little house slippers. You know, that's what I really went on SHEIN to buy. The house slippers. I end up buying more than what I'm supposed to, as usual. But anyways, I bought these cute little fluffy house slippers. So comfy. because the one that I got from Victoria's Secret got mashed up, so I had to get something else. So soft, and it's a size 37 as well. Oh, it says 36, 37. I usually tell you guys my height and weight in my videos, just in case you want to purchase something that I bought and you guys might wear the same size as me. My height 5'2", and I weigh 125 pounds. Get up close. And last but not least, I got these anklets. Oh my gosh, this one is already broken. It came broken. Like, why? Not because them cheap. You get what you pay for. It's cheap. Anyways, let me show you guys. I love this one. I don't like when it's too thick, when it's, you know, too big. This one twists up. Oh. No wonder why them break, because them come to how this one. I'm done. You get what you pay for, guys. But this is one of them. So pretty. It's not even showing how pretty it is on camera. It look extra fake on camera, but it's actually cute. The one we break has like diamonds and butterflies and stuff. Anyways, KK squad, that's it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, go over my Instagram and check out how I put these pieces together, these outfits together. Also, don't forget to check out my previous video, which is the Fashion Nova video. Anyways, thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Comment down below your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up too, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.